Addressing all your personal finance queries, Hemant Rustagi of Wiseinvest Advisors is our guest today. And our first caller is Nitin Singh, and he calls in from Delhi. Hi.
Hi.
Could you tell us your question?
Yeah, sure. I want to invest like 15 to 20,000 per month. I want to accumulate around 4 crores in 20-25 years.
Okay.
I'm already making investment in mutual funds. 4 of the mutual funds: HDFC Top 200, HDFC Equity, HDFC Mid Cap Opportunity Fund, and ICICI Prudential Blue Chip Focus. So my total investment as of now is 80,000 in all those four funds.
Okay.
So if you can tell me like more funds in which I can invest for my target.
All right. And just another word on your insurance.
Yes, I have term policy from Agon Relige of 1 crore rupees, and I have like LIC policy, like these are like I'm paying like 15 to 20,000 rupees per year for those policies. So it doesn't have much coverage on those.
All right. Hemant, what's the advice?
Well, Nitin, I would like to ask you one or two things. One is that could you tell me about your annual income currently, whether you have any health insurance plan also?
I'm planning to buy a health insurance plan. My annual income as of now is 11 lakhs per annum.
Yeah, okay, Nitin. I think if you look at the term plan that you have for 1 crore, I think that's adequate as far as the risk cover is concerned. But as you mentioned, I think you should go ahead and buy a health insurance policy. You can take a family floater plan. You have 4 members in the family, so I think a family floater plan for health insurance will be adequate for you. And since you want to invest for a period of 25 years, which is quite a long term, you must ensure that you also have created an emergency reserve, which should be roughly around 6 months of your monthly expenses. So once you've taken care of these 3 things, then you can entirely focus on your long-term goal. As far as your investment objective is concerned here, since you want to invest for 25 years, and the fact that you want to invest on a monthly basis for such a long time horizon, and especially considering that you want to build up a huge corpus of 4 crore, you can look at equity as an asset class, and you should look at well-diversified equity funds. Since you already have 4 equity funds which are of very good quality in your portfolio, my recommendation to you would be that you can invest in 3 funds out of these 4, which can be HDFC Equity, you can look at because it's a multi-cap fund, HDFC Mid Cap Opportunity, which is a mid-cap fund, and also ICICI Focus Blue Chip, which is a large cap fund. So if you allocate your money to these 3, I think, and continue to invest for a period of 12 years, if I assume an annualized return of 12%, you will actually need to invest 24,000 rupees instead of 20 that you intend to invest currently. If it is possible to increase it now, you can increase it now by another 4,000. If not, wherever you can add, maybe after a year or so, try and increase it to 24,000. And if you continue the process for this 25-year time horizon, you can surely achieve a target of 4 crore.
Okay, that's the word coming in on your investments. Reliance Power is reacting well to a good set of numbers. In fact, prima facie, the numbers look good. We need to wait by and see if there's any exceptional this time around. They've posted a consolidated net profit of 231 crores, while we were expecting a 177 crore number to come in this time around. So it's higher than what the street was expecting, and in fact, it's a profit growth this time versus a degrowth that the street was estimating. So on that account, the numbers are looking quite good. In fact, on the top line as well, the 533 crore number is about a 7 to 8% year-on-year growth that Reliance Power has seen this quarter around, and the expectation was about 515 crores or so. So both on the top line and on the bottom line, the initial numbers that we have are looking quite good. We await more details on what's happened in terms of their margins, because the plant load factors this time around have declined due to the commissioning of their Rosa facility in Q4, and the plant load factors were expected to decline to about 66 versus 75%. The stock, by the way, is taking it quite well this afternoon, so perhaps the operating numbers as well look good. That's all I have. Hemant, we'll have to thank you and leave it at that, because we've run out of time on this segment. Thanks so much for addressing the query of our guests. We'll take a break and come back and get you more details on the Reliance Power number.